Okay, black on black my thoughts.
Alright, the last time I rode my bike, it was at nighttime, and I had to take the shield off and put this clear shield on. Turn it all the way up, and you reach right in here, turn that and it pops out. Same thing on the other side. Turn that and it pops out. Now to put this one back in, it's gonna be the same thing. Well, I ain't gonna say the same thing. It's gonna be a little harder to see now, but turn it up in the air, put it in, take it out, same thing, pick it up, pops out. Put it back in the area. Hope you enjoyed the video and try not to scratch it up like I did.